With 200 rupees, you can literally own a piece of Reliance. Not invest in some app, actually own it. Sounds fake, right? It's not. And the wildest part, 90% of people never learn this because they think stock market means charts, suits, and losing money. It's actually one of the simplest ideas in the world, and I'm going to prove it to you in the next few minutes. Stay till the end. There's a real number that'll shock you. Picture Raju, runs a tea stall, doing well, 5,000 rupees a day. But Raju is ambitious. He doesn't want one stall, he wants 10 across the whole city. Problem, that dream costs 50 lakh rupees, and Raju's broke. He's got 3 doors he can walk through. Door 1, bank loan. Interest eats him alive. EMI stress every month. Door 2, borrow from friends and family. Small amounts, and now every Diwali dinner is awkward. Door 3, sell a piece of his company. He tells strangers, give me money today and I'll give you a slice of my business. My stall empire grows, your slice grows with it. That third door, that's what Apple did. That's what Reliance did. That's what Tata did. That slice has a name, a share, a stock. When a company sells its shares to the public for the very first time ever, there's a name for that moment, an IPO, initial public offering. Raju's stall is now Raju Chai Ltd, a real brand. With SEBI's green light, SEBI is the referee of this whole game, making sure nobody cheats. He opens the doors. 100 rupees a share. Anyone can walk in. People line up. Money flows in. Raju gets his 50 lakh rupees. Investors get ownership. Everybody wins, if things go right. From this point, Raju Chai Ltd shares can be bought and sold every single day on a marketplace built exactly for this. India runs 2 of these marketplaces, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, running since 1875, the oldest in Asia, and NSE, National Stock Exchange, where most of the action happens today. Every second on these 2 platforms, millions of people, from a student with 500 rupees to giant institutions with billions, are trading ownership of companies, live, right now. The second you buy 1 share of Raju Chai Ltd, you're not supporting the company. You're not a fan. You are a legal part owner. Company profits, you get a cut. Company crashes, you feel it too. Here's the whole deal in one line. No risk, no reward. They're stitched together always. Now zoom out. This same exact scene, millions of people owning tiny slices of over 5,000 companies, is happening at the same time every single day across the entire country. That massive, chaotic, living system, that's the stock market. You've heard it on the news 100 times. Sensex down 500 points, or Nifty at an all-time high, and you probably just nodded like you understood. Here's the actual explanation. Think of your school report card's overall percentage, one number that sums up how you did across every subject without listing all of them. Sensex is the average health of the top 30 companies on BSE. Nifty is the average health of the top 50 companies on NSE. Index up means the country's biggest companies are doing well. Confidence is high. Index down means fear is spreading. People are pulling money out. 2 numbers, 1 glance. That's the entire market's mood decoded in 2 seconds. Now, here's the question everyone actually wants answered. Why does a price randomly go up or down? It's not random. It's one rule. More buyers than sellers, price goes up. More sellers than buyers, price goes down. That's it. That's the whole engine. It's called demand and supply. Everyone wants an IPL final ticket, limited seats. Price goes insane. Same exact psychology with stocks. Company drops a killer product, posts huge profits, gets great news, everyone rushes to buy, price rockets. Company gets caught in a scandal, posts a loss, economy slows down, everyone rushes to exit, price collapses. And sometimes nothing even happened. Prices move just because people's feelings shifted. That's called market sentiment, and two emotions run this entire show: fear and greed. Okay, but how does anyone actually make money? Two ways, only two. Number one, capital gain. Buy low, sell high. 100 in, 150 out, $50 profit. Simple math. Number two, dividend. The company literally pays you just for being an owner. No selling required. It's the company saying, thanks for believing in us, usually every quarter. Now here's the number that should shock you: compounding. Reinvest your profits again and again, year after year, and your money starts creating more money on autopilot. Einstein allegedly called this the eighth wonder of the world. 10,000 rupees growing at 15% a year for 20 years straight becomes 1,60,000 rupees. You didn't add a single extra rupee. Time did all the work. Here's what nobody selling you a get-rich course will say out loud. The stock market is not a lottery ticket. People who throw their savings into some random WhatsApp hot tip without understanding a single thing, most of them lose everything. Here's what actually separates winners from everyone else. They understand the business before they buy, not just the price. They think in years, not days, because patience beats speed every time. They never bet it all on one horse. They spread it across companies and sectors, and they control their emotions. No panic selling in a crash, no greed buying in a rally. The market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett, the most successful investor alive, built his entire empire on one rule: never invest in something you don't understand. So next time someone casually says, I put money in stocks, you're not nodding along confused anymore. You know exactly what they did. They bought a piece of a real business, and they're now riding its growth. Fast recap. Companies sell shares to raise money. You buy a share, you're a legal part owner. Prices move on pure demand and supply. You profit through price growth or dividends. And the real cheat code is patience beats everything. Next video, how to open a demat account and how to buy your very first share. A complete zero jargon beginner's walkthrough. If this actually made things click, smash like and comment part 2. That tells me to get it out faster. See you in the next one.